Three things that you should know about water. Number one would be the source, so where you got your water from. What you want to avoid is city water, tap water from the city, and most bottled water. And the reason is because they use fluoride. And fluoride can actually deplete iodine. And iodine is critical for your thyroid. So really not a big bonus there unless you want to get fat. So protect your thyroid and switch over to spring water or well water. So you do have to read the label, make sure it actually is from a spring. And then most tap water is high in chlorine. And so chlorine is used as a disinfectant. Not desirable to disinfect your colon. So that's why you want to get rid of the city water or tap water, unless it's from a well, or switch over to spring water. Number two is set a water goal. How much water should you have? And the minimum amount in studies is deemed to be about take your body weight and divide it by 0.66. So for an example, if you were a 195 pound person, you would do just about 1 gallon of water. And I tell you what to do is challenge yourself, and nothing challenges you more than losing money. So here's a quick challenge you can do is go ahead and buy an expensive gallon of spring water. So, a gallon of water could cost $5 if it's high quality spring water. And so let's say I weigh 195, which I do not. So 195, I would drink 1 gallon of water. I put it in the fridge in the evening, and I start drinking it first thing in the morning. And as the day goes on, I just keep drinking this water over and over again. And here's where you get motivation by doing this challenge. You keep on drinking it, but let's say it's time to go to bed, and there's still a half gallon left in it. Literally take your gallon jug, walk over to the sink, and pour it out. The misery of seeing that money go down the sink will motivate you to hit your water goal. And how important is your water goal? Put it this way, 2% dehydration, you could lose 20% of your strength. Kind of a big deal. Tip number three is you want to avoid drinking water or a large amount of water right before you eat. So a lot of my clients are actually always doing the hydrochloric acid test, and water will dilute it. So drinking a glass of water right before you eat, it would actually lower stomach acid, and it would actually decrease your chance of assimilating the food properly. And it's quite simple. You just go ahead and drink your water 15 minutes after the meal. So the bulk of your water you should drink in between your meals. Getting Jimmy jacked.